Hey there, happy new year from Dan Hamilton at Hamilton & Company of Keller Williams Realty. Thanks for watching this quick video. If you're a homeowner, you're going to want to watch this because I've got some ideas for you on how to make sure that your home stays healthy as you are here in the new year. And I've got just a few tips for you to think about to just make sure that you've got a great year with your home. Number one, you want to make sure you are not procrastinating on fixing all those little things. If you live in your home for any amount of time, you know that there's just little things here and there that just kind of add up and don't go away by themselves. So you want to make sure, maybe hire a handyman and just come and have them take care of a few of those things. So don't put off and don't procrastinate those small things because they will add up and they will get worse over time. Number two, create a cleaning schedule and stick to it. The more you clean, the better over time it becomes for you to just keep it easier to clean. If you try to clean once a quarter or whatever, it just builds up on you. So to just create a specific time every week that you clean a different part of your house, and then over time, it makes it much easier. Number three, declutter. We all have things that just kind of pile up in certain areas, maybe closets. In fact, I just spent a little time this past weekend in my closet cleaning. My t-shirts seem to multiply somehow, so cleaned a bunch of those out, give them away. This is a great time of year to donate things, so pull those all together and donate and declutter your closets. Number four, outdoor landscape. You want to prioritize some of that, get that done. It's still a little cold right now, which means just in the next week or two or a few weeks, it's going to be a great time to start preparing for spring. Maybe even start some mulch. You can get a little cheaper now than you can when more people are out there buying it. So start to think about some of those outdoor projects. This is a great time to get a head start on that. Number five, get better at preventative maintenance. And this is another thing where you just have to have a schedule, stick to it, and make sure that you just over time do all those things that you need to do. The filters in your air conditioning, if you replace those on a regular basis, it's going to prolong the life of all your systems there. So these are just some New Year's resolutions, some things to think about as you want to create a home that you build value over time. Because one of the things that really hurts value is if people don't maintain their homes properly. That's what I see all the time, and you don't want to do that. You want to make sure you're building great value in your home over time. If you need help with any of these items, we have got a great list of contractors, of handymen, electricians, plumbers, all those kinds of folks that can help you take care of some of these things if you can't do it yourself. So let me know. Reach out anytime, 864-527-7685. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.